In this series, we're going to talk about what Elixir is, why it's worth learning, and how to set up your environment for Elixir development. From there, we'll delve into the heart of Elixir, exploring its syntax, data types, and unique features like pattern matching and concurrency. We'll also go through Elixir's fantastic tools for development and testing, such as IEX and XUnit. By the end of this series, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to build real-world applications using Elixir. Now, let's move on to the first video. Alright, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the basic syntax in Elixir. Let's start with an example. In Elixir, we can use io.puts/1 function to print the string hello world to the console. The io module provides functions for input and output operations, and puts is a function specifically used for printing texts. Now let's explore variables and assignment in Elixir. In Elixir, we can assign values to variables using the equals operator. Here, we assign the string John to the variable name and the integer value 25 to the variable age. To display the values of variables, we can use interpolation. In this example, we use the hashtag and then the curly braces syntax to interpolate the values of name and age into the string. The io.put/1 function is used for printing the string. Elixir is a functional programming language, and functions play a central role. Let's explore defining functions and organizing them into modules. In Elixir, we define modules using the def module keyword. Here, we define a module named greetings. Inside the greetings module, we define a function named hello that takes a parameter name. The function body uses interpolation to print a personalized greeting. When the hello function is called with an argument, the value is substituted in an interpolated string. We invoke the hello function using the module name greetings followed by a dot, and the function name passing in the argument Alice. One of the most powerful features in Elixir is pattern matching. It allows us to match and destructure values with ease. In Elixir, we can use pattern matching to assign values to variables. Here, we assign the element of the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the variable first, and the remaining elements to the variable rest. We can use io inspection1 function to print the value of first and rest to the console. Alright, and that concludes our comprehensive guide to the basic syntax of Elixir. We've covered printing variables, functions, modules, and pattern matching.